Clear ko lang about sa rumors going around again. Ayaw ko sana to dahil hindi ako ganito. Hindi ako pala salita o pala patol kahit sa sarili ko ng issue. But I think kailangan ko magsalita kahit minsan lang. Dahil total na open na naman to ngayon at may maling story na naman kasi na lumalabas at nagtre-trending eh. Minsan life teaches us a difficult lesson na saktan ka, well probably. But that does not automatically mean you are completely innocent, and calling yourself victim doesn't erase the consequences of the choices you made. Yes, we call it consequences, if YA. I stayed quiet because gusto ko ng peace. Gusto ko laging masaya lang. Alam ng mga miloves ko yan. Kasi sa sobrang hirap ng pinagdaanan ko noon, gusto ko masaya lang lahat. Gusto ko napapasaya ko mga tao. Masaya lang sana ang nasa paligid ko. Pero dahil nga sa nangyaring yun, yung medical results sa mental health problem ko is forever na. Na halos ikamatay ko na hindi alam ng nakararami. Kaya iniingatan ko na hindi siya matrigger. But silence doesn't mean I agree with the other versions of the story. I believe this was my story too, and I know the truth, and I'm the one who experienced it. Marriage ko yun. Andun ako mismo. Ako ang andun. I know what really happened. Ginusto mo yan. Ginusto mong gumawa ng choices kahit alam mong may ibang taong masasaktan. May babaeng asawa na namamatay sa sakit. May kapwa ka babaeng na gabi-gabing umiiyak dahil sa ginagawa nyo, at may asawang babae na naghihinagpis at nagque-question ng worth niya. At alam mo na may marriage na masisira. Nasa edad ka naman na para malaman ang tama at mali. Hindi ka naman grade school. Those are basic values we learn while growing up. Tinuro yan ng mga magulang natin or ng mga nakakatanda. Nasaktan ka pero that doesn't give you free pass from accountability. Naggagamot ako noon at pabalik-balik sa hospital, halos mamatay ako, while kayo naglalandian lang sa bed namin ng ex-husband ko. Yes, dun ka din umuuwi kapag wala ako, imagine that. Ang tagal na panahon na nangyayari yun na wala akong kaalam-alam. Pinagtutulungan nyo pa nga ako, remember. Pero tapos na yun eh, masaya na ako ngayon at super thankful dahil nakawala ako sa ganong sitwasyon na yun, sobrang natauhan ako. Salamat sa Diyos. I'm grateful dahil binigay ni God ang pinapangarap kong annulment. Ayoko talaga magsalita kasi super happy naman na ako, pero meron na naman kasing lumabas na mali-maling story ngayon, so parang for the first time seryoso kong magsasalita. The lesson is simple, learn from the consequences. And just to clear one more thing, she wasn't a minor when she had those children. This is the last time I'll speak about this. I've said what I needed to say. Let this be the lesson to young girls and women, stay away from married men or kahit sino na may partner na wag tayong makihati. You can never change what really happened. To Shan, most probably iba ang naikwento sa'yo na story. Mali-mali eh. And I understand that this is your work and she's also your friend. I appreciate that you acknowledged the pain and burden before as a wife. But please next time, ask me directly para equal ang source mo, hindi lang isang side at maling story ang kakalat from you. Salamat. Chatterbuzz, your one-stop showbiz ganap.